Infrastructure holds our economies, safety, and daily lives together. Bridges, especially, are symbols of connection, but when they fail, the consequences can be devastating. In 2018, the Genoa Bridge collapse shocked the world and raised urgent questions about engineering ethics and accountability. This case is not only a structural failure, but also a reflection of the professional responsibilities we carry as engineers. Let us explore what went wrong and learn from it.
The Morandi Bridge, complete in 1967, was part of the A10 motorway and served as a vital connection between Italy and France. Managed by a private consortium, it supports around 25 million vehicles yearly, including heavy freight. Over time, concerns were raised about its aging structure and insufficient maintenance. The bridge design used precast concrete with encased cable, which made inspection difficult. Traffic loads eventually exceeded its original design capacity, and signs of corrosion and fatigue were documented. Critically, the structure lacked redundancy, so when one cable failed, the entire span was vulnerable to collapse. On August 14, 2018, heavy rainfall and storms hit Genoa. At 11:36 a.m., a 210-meter span collapsed, sending vehicles plummeting nearly 50 meters. Emergency response began quickly, and within 48 hours, Italy declared a national state of emergency.
For technical and engineering issue, the first thing is design flaw. This Genoa bridge used only one pair of stay cable per tower, which is leaving no backup if one failed. Then, this also encased cable in concrete, where making the internal damage invisible and hard to inspect from outside. Last, structural design caused complete stress point that worse over time. The second thing is corrosion and the material issue. Water and air enters crack, which is leading to corrosion of the hidden steel tendons. Then, sea air in the Genoa accelerates the rusting, where causing the concrete to crack and being weakened. Lastly, materials lack modern protection, which is allowing long-term internal decay. The last point is maintenance and the monitoring failure. Early warning signs were ignored and poorly addressed due to the budget limit, which is no sensor system or advanced testing to detect hidden damage. Then bridge carry heavier load than it was originally used.
The Genoa Bridge collapse is a tragic example of ethical failure in engineering. First, engineers feel their paramount duty to public safety, despite knowing the bridge stay were corroding, some losing out to 85% strength. Critical risks were not resolved, leading to a collapse that killed 43 people. Second, they lack due diligence. The bridge unit design lack of redundancy and traffic loads far exceeded original limit. Early warning signs in year 2017 were ignored. Third, engineers did not report the issue truthfully. Expert concerns were dismissed and the safety risks were downplayed. Fourth, conflict of interest played a role. The management company prioritized cost saving over public safety and delaying the necessary replacement. Finally, engineers did not take responsible. Warnings were not add on, and investigation later revealed avoidable mistake. This case shows how neglecting engineering ethics can have deadly consequences.
The next part is recommendation to prevent future problems from happening again. So there are a few recommendations that we can implement. The first one is to implement proactive maintenance and monitoring. This can be done by shifting from reactive repairs to continuous monitoring and integrated maintenance planning from design. For example, we can implement structural health monitoring or HHM system to monitor the structure in real time. Secondly is to implement ethical engineering and design. This can be done by using redundancy in design, ensure inspectability, better understanding of material and design over time, and also we must make decision based on safety and not speed or cost only. The last one is strengthening regulatory frameworks. This can be done by create a strong and independent regulatory body, prevent imbalance between public-private partnership or PPP, and assign clear accountability across all roles.
In conclusion, the Genoa Bridge collapse was a preventable tragedy rooted in ignored warnings, poor maintenance, and ethical lapses. As engineers, we are reminded that our duty to public safety must never be compromised. Let this be a lesson not just of what went wrong, but of what must always be done right. Thank you.